Welcome back, guys. In this lesson, we are going to talk about links. So, what are links? In a website, a hyperlink or link is an item like a text or image that points to another location. So, basically, a link is an element that points to another location. Okay, so when you click on a link, the link will take you to the target of the link, which may be a web page, document, or other online content. So website use hyperlink as a way to navigate the online content. Okay, so link are used for navigating online content. So the example of link, how does a link look like? The way a link look like is this: you are going to create a link. You are going to do the open tag a ref. Okay, ref as the attribute, ref as in href equals the link to your link, the link that you want to navigate to. Okay, so that is what you would get with the aref. Okay, so whatever you want to put inside of this aref, you can put it inside here, like say visit visit San Belo, just like that. Okay, so you would put the link inside of this place. Okay, so we will talk about that in our next lesson, which is the text link. Okay, so that is that for links. Okay, so we are going to talk about text link. Okay, so what is text link? We've discussed about link and we've made them know that is a way of navigating our website. Okay, so what does text link mean? Okay, so HTML link or hyperlink, we know that it makes navigation from one page to another possible. I'm sure we know that now. Okay, so we can add text to a link we've created, which makes it a text link. Okay, so this is the tag for link, aref, then the link to the page we want to link to. Okay, then this text inside of this place is what makes it a text link. Okay, so we are saying visit sanbelo.com.ng website. Okay, so how does this look like? Let's see it in our browser. And okay, so this is how it looks like. If you click on this page now, on this text now, it's going to link to sanbelo.com.ng. You can see that. You can try that by clicking on it, and you will see it. By clicking on it, it goes to sanbelo.com.ng. So let's see. Okay, it goes to sanbelo.com.ng. You can see it on the URL like this. Okay, so it goes to sanbelo.com.ng. Okay, so we don't need this for now. Okay, let me quickly make this known to you. If you want to read anything about programming, coding, software development, filmmaking, photography, and whatnot, graphic design, just name it, you can come to sanbelo.com.ng and read. I do blog about these things, and I do them frequently as much as I can. As soon as I have time, I do them. I blog on these things so that you can read and understand them. Okay, so that is that about sanbelo.com.ng. Let's quickly move ahead to our next topic, which is the image link. Okay, so image links. Okay, so we can actually make our link an image. We can make our link an image. So how do we do that? So you can see inside of this link here, this is the link tag, this is the aref tag. It opens here and it closes here. Okay, it closes here like this. Okay, so we have inside of it, we have the image tag. Okay, so this image, whenever we click on this image, it will take us to the link that is here. Okay, that is on the aref, which is sambelo.com.ng. so let's quickly check that out and check the image link and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is the image that I have inserted in the link. Okay, so by clicking this image, it is going to move to sambelo.com.ng. Okay, so let's try that, and it goes to sambelo.com.ng. Okay, so that is that about image link. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so we are going to move on to the next one, which is opening a page in a new window or tab. So how do we open a page in a new window or tab? You don't want the page or the link to open on the same page. You want it to open on a new window or new tab. So the way to do that, you can see here, we said the target attribute specify where to open the link document. Okay, so the way to do that is to use the target attribute. You can insert the what's it called, value inside of this target attribute. Okay, for it to know that it is going to link to a blank page and not the same page. It is going to link to a new page, which is a blank page. Okay, so that is how this works. Okay, so the rel, which is the relation, rel, this rel over here, which is the relation, is no opener or no referrer. So the rel no opener or no referrer is to prevent the newly opened tab from being able to modify the original tab maliciously. Okay, so this is just for security purpose. For, you know, you can do this for security purpose, and all the same you can leave it just with ordinary target and blank. It is going to open to a new tab or a new window. So let's quickly try this out and see what we have. Okay, so this is what we have. We have visit Sambelo. By clicking this sambelo.com.ng, it is going to open to a new tab. Let's check it out. Okay, so it opens to a new tab. So this is the previous page. So we have both page on opened. We have both page opened. Okay, so it works the way we want it to work. Okay, so that is opening a page in a new window or tab. So the next one we are going to discuss about is setting all links on a page to open in a new window or tab. So all the link on a page is going to open in new tab. So how do we do that? We can actually do this by saying each link should have a target blank, but there is an easier way to do this in HTML. So how do we do that? We can do that by saying base target equals blank. Okay, so by targeting blank in the base tag, it will open in a new tab for all the link present in the web page. Okay, so all this link will open in a new tab by doing base target blank, just like this. So let's see how this works. Let's quickly move to our browser and see how this works. Let me preview this. Okay, so this is it. So we have visit sambelo.com.ng, visit Twitter handle and visit link in account of Sambelo. So when we click this, it's going to open to a new tab. We move back to the previous page and click on visit Twitter, and it's still going to open in a new tab. And let's move back to the previous page and click on this, and it's still going to open into a new tab. Don't forget, we did not assign this one after each other. What we did was we target it in our base tag. On our base tag, we target the blank page on our base tag, which makes it open, which makes all links open in a new tab. Okay, so that is that about setting all links on a page to open in a new window or tab. So we are going to talk about linking to an area on the same page. So we are going to link to an area on the same page. Okay, so all the what's it called, all these HTML tag here, I would explain them one after the other for you to be able to understand them properly. So we have these, the body tag, we have the nav tag, and the inside of the nav tag we have the UL tag and LI tag. I hope I'm sure we've discussed about the UL and LI tag in our previous lesson. If you haven't seen that, I would want you to go and say create list or creating list, so you would know how to create and use the UL and LI tag. Okay, so that is that about that. So we've created UL and LI tag. Inside of the LI tag, we create a link that moves to move to home of home section. This home section, we create a link that when we click on the link, home link, it is going to move to this home section. How do we know that it's going to move to this home section? You can see this what's it called, this pound or hash number or pound sign, hash sign or pound sign is going to move to this home page. This pound sign means ID. It equates ID, is the same thing as ID. So we have this pound sign home, so it's saying move to this home section whenever we click on this home. Don't forget href. The reason why you have ref here is for it to link to somewhere. Okay, so the ref we have here is linking to the same page, on section home. Okay, I hope that is clear. So the same thing goes to the blog. Okay, so we have the blog section, so with the same ID blog, so we have the pound sign blog. So whenever I click on this blog, it moves to this blog ID like that. And the same thing goes with the about us and the contact us. Okay, so let's quickly preview this and see how it works. So we are linking to the same page but different section on the same page. Okay, so whenever we click on home page, it moves to home page, it previews home page, it shows us the home page. Whenever we click on blog, it shows us the blog. Okay, whenever we click on about us, it shows us the about us. Okay, whenever we click on the next one, which is the contact us, like this, it shows us the contact us. Okay, so that's how linking to an area on the same page, which is also known as bookmarking, is used. Okay, so that is that about that. So let's talk about linking to an email address. Okay, so how do we link to an email address? Okay, the first thing we want to do is to create the link, the way we've been creating it, which is our aref. Okay, but this time around the ref is not going to link to https. Look at it, the ref is going to link to mail to. So after creating the ref attribute here, over here we are going to have mail to. Okay, so inside of this mail to, we are going to insert our email address. Okay, the email address we want it to mail to, the email address we want to mail to. Okay, so that is how to use the mailing or linking to an email address in HTML. So let me quickly preview this for you and you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is send email. The text within the ref of within the link of mail to, the text within it is send email. You can see it for yourself like this. It is here. Okay, so by clicking on this send email, it is going to pop out a way for us to mail to, but this time around we are not going to use this. We just need to know if this is working, and you can see that it is working, so we are not going to continue with this. Okay, so that is that about what's it called, the linking to an email address. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Send your questions and subscribe for more lessons like this.